How to download American Airlines app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download the American Airlines app. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to download the American Airlines application, just go over and then first of all launch your Google Play Store if you're on Android, and if you're on iPhone or iOS, you can open up your respective app store. And as you've done so, at the very top you can see the search box, so just tap on it and then search for the keyword called American Airlines. Once you search for American Airlines and hit the search button, at the very top you'll find this application with this kind of icon that says American Airlines. You can also see the developer is called American Airlines. Now if you want to download this, if you're on Android just like me, then you have to tap on the install button just like that. And if you're on iOS, if you're downloading for the first time, you need to tap on the get button or maybe the download button or download icon. And once the download process is complete, wait for some time for it to install the application, and as it does the installation process as well, you could go ahead and then open the American Airlines app, log into your account, book airlines and so on. And that's all it takes to download the American Airlines app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.